Rick here with Happy Bees again. We're getting started on this brick bee house. My son-in-law is cutting the forms right now. We are going to form up a little pad over here to put it on, and then I'll have a place for my brick beehive and my... Well, Rick here with Happy Bees again, and getting ready to cut these bricks for our brick beehive. When you have a bee frame, they have to have a frame rest to sit on inside the beehive. So what we're doing, we're taking these bricks, notching them out so that the frames will sit inside here from front to back. So it'll make more sense when we get going with it. So I'll show you a little bit later. I'm filling the joints up, and then we'll lay our blocks, and then we'll start building our beehive on top of that. It's going to be awesome. The whole idea of this was because we're going to pour sand in the brick. It's going to insulate it so it'll stay warmer in the winter, cooler in the summer. I think this is going to be the thing. So this will be the brood chamber. It'll be 8 frames wide. Our 10 frame super will sit right on top. We'll put the queen excluder and our super will sit right on top. So I think it's going to be awesome. We'll find out. Well, my daughter's suiting up, and we are going to put the frames in here, put our super on top, and there is our brick bee house. First one I've ever seen. And this is my bee star. Move your hand.